werk maar aan de achtergrond.
So I finally got the RX-7 inside, and excuse my narrow lens. I need a wide angle lens, like this is 35 mils or something, but it's finally inside, and it was hard. I'm all out of breath, and it was really hard to get inside because that wheel out there, it's been parked with the handbrake on for maybe like, I don't know, 5 to 10 years, who the fuck knows. But this wheel is kind of seized, and it wasn't rolling at all. I had to put like a trash bag full of like bubble plastic and whatnot. Did I damage this? Oh, never mind. So I had to stick duct tape and pillows and bubble plastic and whatnot on the bumper, push it with my van, and even then it was very hard. And then it broke free kind of for a little bit. I was able to push it inside finally. And I didn't really film the handbrake, show you the aftermath, but I put in BMX grip and E-clot. It's transparent, which is pretty nice, so it shows the pink through it. And I don't know if you can tell on video, but it's extremely flaky. It doesn't look as flaky on camera because of the lighting or some, but it's crazy nice. Basically, that color is gonna go on to those wheels, and the whole car will be like in a pink purplish theme, just like two-tone pink purplish. It's gonna be pretty nice. It's like more pink and pink, light pink and dark pink. I was thinking about painting it white, but it's red right now, and if you just get scuff marks or, you know, just battle scars from the drifting, it would look awful when there's red popping through the white. So I'm just gonna go with pink because it doesn't show as much. And for some reason I got a dent out there, which I didn't think I had before. It's kind of weird how this got here. I don't know. There's literally vegetation growing on my RX-7 right now. Gotta fix this, we gotta fix the bottom. There's like a lot of rust on this thing. We will have a car that we don't really have to care about. We can just smash it into with tandems and whatnot. It's gonna be fun. On this thing, I still have to do my fuel cell because on the previous event that I drove a little bit, all the foam that I got right there started falling apart, and got all these little chunks. And then my pickup filter, which is right there, also fell off of the line, and then the line was just exposed to just like getting all the big chunks of foam. Everything was clogged, like the fuel filter completely clogged. Like some chunks came into my pump, not much. But and the lines were completely clogged with like big chunks of foam. So you gotta put that foam back into this fuel cell, and then I'm gonna put another fuel filter on the line right there. So I'm running two fuel filters, one in the front, one in the back, so in case if this happens again, this first fuel filter will catch most of the shit, and then it won't be a problem. Then I can just quickly clean it and get, oh my god, all this water is inside of my car. Bro, this is all inside. Oh, this is fucked. How did it... Even how? How? That sucks.